You ever ask yourself how all of these Amazon sellers are making millions of dollars either monthly or yearly reselling products on Amazon? Yeah, I'm talking about the wholesale model, where you don't need to market products, create logos, all of that. You're literally taking brand name products that people already know, love, and trust and reselling them on Amazon. How to make it so much money? Well, the number one question that it starts with is, well, what products are they selling to generate this much? And in this video, I'm gonna be giving you the tactical way, no theory, the tactical real way to actually find out which products you should be looking for selling on Amazon. The best part about all of this is the method is actually really simple. But before we get into it, if you're not already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell, because we're always gonna be dropping videos that really help to expedite and speed up your Amazon process. These are the videos, honestly, I wish I had years ago. It would have made us way more successful in a much shorter amount of time. Make sure to pay attention. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mar. I'm one of the owners of our company, Above The Par, with my two very, very good friends. We started this journey back in 2020, and since then, we've done over 30 million in total sales on Amazon. Our main focus is helping new and newer sellers, anyone doing under 100K a month, really grow the systems to scale their business in half the amount of time that we did. That is our goal. But let's get into it. For this part of the video, I'm gonna switch to my good old computer because I'm gonna have to show you exactly what you need to do on the Amazon platform to find these products. All right, so now we're on Amazon, where this is where we make our money, right? I'm gonna call this method follow the leader. Why? Because when you're selling wholesale products, you're looking for things that already sell in high volume. I'm talking listings that do hundreds, millions of dollars a month, right? And what does that mean? If someone's already buying it, that means someone's selling it. So what we're looking to do here is find out who in the world is selling it, and we just want a piece of their pie, right? If they're doing millions of dollars a month in sales, dude, why not take 100K from it, 50K, right? We just gotta find out where the money's going and get our piece. So when you're on Amazon, you can do a few things when you start. There are other ways to do this, but let's keep it the cheapest and most efficient way. You wanna pick a product you know, a category you know, or just a type of product that you know. So I like to go with types of product. I think it's one of the easiest ways to do this. So let's do something like vitamin D supplement. What you're gonna see is some softwares on this. I'm not gonna go too in depth with what each software does, but I will let you know the name of it so you can look into it. These are all extensions on Google Chrome that plug right into Amazon so you can see this data. So what we're looking for is, you see this box over here? It's a free software called DS Quick View. It gives you a lot of data real quick. If you don't know some of these terms, I'm gonna leave a link in the description to our free, completely free, no strings attached, Amazon FBA course and community. It will explain all of this. But what we're looking for here is we want to actually know what is, like, how many FBA sellers are actually on this listing, right? That's important because when there's only one seller, that's more than likely a private label product. We want two, three, usually three or more. Sometimes we do two. But what I'm looking here is, I don't want Amazon on a listing right now as a newer seller. When you get more advanced, you can do it, but not right now. We're looking for 3 or more FBA sellers. These ones have it, but we see sold by Amazon. So let's keep going. No, we're not going to get this heart in. We're just going to keep running down this list. Okay, cool. You see some Nature's Bounty here. 6 FBA sellers. This one is 6 with no Amazon. That's what we are looking for. So go ahead and click on this. And it's going to bring us to the listing, right? Now, there's certain things we're looking for on this. So one of the first things we're going to be looking for is, and I'm going to let you know what this software is, but you don't have to worry about it for now. This is ASIN. Once again, in our free course, we break it down. It lets you know estimated sales, bestseller rank, which is a rank in Amazon, gives a product to let you know how many units it's selling. It's a fluid rank. So the closer that number is to 1, the more sales it gets, right? And it's broken down by category. So number 1 in health and household is not the same as number 1 in like beauty or electronics, etc. So what we want to do is click over here where it says new. And what this is going to do is going to let us know all of the sellers on the listing. And what we do here is we're looking for those big dog sellers, right? Those sellers with a lot of positive reviews and a lot of ratings. When you see somebody with like 600, 700, 1,000 reviews, that's great. We're looking at this one right here, 12,000 reviews, almost 13,000. Let's go. Right click it, open it in a new tab. Let's go down the list. We don't want this guy. This is horrible, right? If you have 72% positive reviews, you're not doing very good on this platform, even though he has a lot of rating. Another one, very sure. Let's do this. Open up this one, 165,000. Holmes Haven, right? A lot of these good sellers on this listing, which is great. This is what we're looking for. I'm gonna stop there. You kind of get the point, right? Looking for sellers with a lot of ratings, good positive reviews. Now let's go over to one of their tabs. What this is going to show us now is something called a storefront. If we click here on Visit Greenbook Storefront, what it's going to do, what Amazon does is it's going to show you in order what is selling the most, right? The things at the top are what's bringing in the most money for the seller. So we look at this one. That's a product, 6 FBA sellers. Great. This is a product we can source. Hollywood fashion. We're building a list, right? 6 FBA sellers. We should be able to sell this. 5 FBA sellers on this one. We should be able to sell this. Elmer's glue. 1. Okay, we might pass on this one. Oh, sorry. They have 11 FBA sellers right here. Yeah, we'll look at that too. Energizing batteries, right? What we're doing, we're finding all of these products that this seller is selling that's making them a lot of money, clearly, because they have so many ratings, right? The more ratings you have, the more sales you've had. So by doing this process, we're able to source their whole catalog, find out what's driving their revenue, and now we want to go find suppliers to get these products from. Now, if you don't know how to find suppliers, I'm going to leave a link to a video at the end that actually shows you how to find suppliers. But what we're doing here is finding what products you should be looking for. So we're going to go down, we're going to pull up all these products, right? We know what to look for. Energizer batteries. We'll go over to another seller, Versure. Do the exact same thing. Repeat the process, right? Scroll down. Okay, Amazon's on it, so maybe not, but 3 FBA sellers is good. Amazon's on a lot of their listings, huh? Okay, right here we got Blitz Cleaner, doing good ranking. As a more advanced seller, you'll go on listings like this with Amazon, but at the beginning, you want to kind of avoid them. We have one with Amazon here. So a lot with Amazon on this one. Odor eaters, right? And we want to look at all of these products that are really driving the revenue. Same thing. Let's do one more. Home Haven. Okay, cool. We know this Dial soap is bringing in some money for him or her. My apologies to the ladies. 7 FBA sellers, no Amazon. We're going to go look for this 2-pack, right? And what we're going to do is go find supplies for all these products. By the end of this, you will have a list of hundreds of products to look for, right? You're gonna have so many products to look for. Now your job is just to find the suppliers and figure out what price you need it at. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description to our FBA course and leave a link at the end to how to find these suppliers. But once you have this, you have a list of all these products. All you need to worry about is now sourcing them. And by doing this, you are figuring out the best product because these sellers have so many reviews and ratings. They're making money, right? We just one piece of the pie. I promise you, a lot of these sellers are doing multiple $1 million a month. You taking off a little 50K, 100K from them, they won't even notice half the time. And this is how you go about actually finding products to sell. Do not overthink this. Do not go crazy. Look at what is working already and figure out who has it at the right price and bring it into your inventory. This is how you get to those 6 and 7 figure months on Amazon. This is what I wish I knew when I first started. You never knew it was that simple. Me either. This is honestly, like I said, one of the videos I wish I had years ago. If you didn't know this method, go and do this. If you're looking to get into wholesale or struggling to find products, this is what you can keep attacking day after day just to find more and more products to source, find supplies, and get it rolling. But if you're looking for more help scaling your business, I have 2 things. I'm gonna leave a link below to our completely free starter course for those looking to get to about 1,000 a month or so. For those of you looking to do a little more, I'm gonna also leave a link if you wanna schedule a call and apply for one of our mentorship programs. To be honest, we don't have that many slots. We really only take about a handful, usually under 8 people a month because we work hand in hand in you to get you into that 6-figure range. So it's a very tight program, I'll be honest with you, but if you wanna apply, I'll leave that link below as well. I really hope this helped. Leave a comment if this helped, or leave a comment to see if you ever tried this method and did it work for you or not. See you in the next video.